Okay. Hey guys. This battery is 10-year, well, 8-year. It's been used. It's lasts 8 years and it's for the smoke alarm. It's for your smoke detector, and you can go 8 years without changing the battery this time. Install some time. $2. Get it off. This one this battery is not. I'm gonna try to get this out. Yep. There's the pull tab, and that lets you know not to. This thing right here lets you know not to close the battery here, and without any battery. This is still a really good battery. This is not a 10-year kind of battery. This is the everyday battery. It's not 10 years. Here's the genuine. Last 8 years. It's been used. It's got. Hold on. Let's see. Got 2 years off of it. So it's 8. It was 10 years when I got it in the store. I don't use it anymore. It can go in battery backup. My guess is it'll last super long if you put it in regular smoke detector with battery backup. So, now, here's what to do. It's a little tricky, it's a little bit bigger than usual batteries, so, hold on, I'll switch it. Still pretty good, but I'll keep testing. Once again, just pull it out. Come check out. Now some smoke detectors are the old kind. This is the Fire Sentry alarm, and as you can see, it will not go back up on the mounting bracket with no battery. It's meant that way. And that alarm right there, that does not work anymore. Yeah, so that's your battery. Put the wrist strap back on. And I bet you, maybe I should put this bag back in now. Hold on, you can sit right here. I don't know why I did that. That was weird. I put it in, it beeped. But didn't chirp, it beeped. You hear that? Now, once you got your new battery in, don't forget to test it. It's really loud. And now I'll show you how to get it back up on in a minute. There's the mounting bracket. It has a screw there and the screw there, as you can see. And once it's back on, you just do this. these are lightweight. You don't have to worry about them falling down and smashing on the floor. Once they're up here, it's still a good idea to test it again. But, yep.